I'm grilling the brinjal. I'm going to cook tortang talong. Tortang talong. I put with egg and minced pork. You want to try later? Ah, very nice, you know. Huh? What do you mean? Yeah, I take out the skin after done grilling.